Hey everybody over on YouTube, because that's where you're watching this video. So, giving you another quick update on my 2002 NASCAR Camaro here. The Kyle Larson. It was supposed to be the Eric Jones STP, but because I had problems with the build. So, let me show you what I did here, because last time I talked to you, the whole thing fell apart. The whole roll cage chassis here fell apart. So, I got most of it back together. Oh, my tire fell off. So it's missing a lot of pieces, but that was how I can get it back together here. So I'm pretty happy with the way it is. Now, a lot of the pieces that are missing are things that don't show, like stuff under the hood here. I'm going to glue the hood on to the body. Some stuff on the interior, some stuff in the back is missing. So it's doing okay. It fits. When I put the body on, it seems to be okay. My tire hair, the one that just kind of came off, is a little high. The chassis pan actually bends. Let's try to even that up with the line there. See how that kind of goes down in front there? But the front end glues to the front here, so I might be able to clamp it and hold it in. And then in the back, there's a couple clamp points too. See if I can just clamp the car together, front and back, and see if that could fit it in. Now, when I put the body on, it actually looks fairly decent. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see, when you put it on, it's all wonky there. So, when you clamp it all together, it should be okay. Alright, let's take this off and move this. I'm going to have to glue that tire back in there. Alright, so, this paint is just Rust-Oleum red. That's it. Rust-Oleum, I think it was cherry red. In fact, if I go over here, I can find it right here. Boom. Nope, just apple red. Really good, nice shiny paint. Really happy with that. The decals are power slides. And man, I always love power slide decals. So this is coming along real nice. You see, I'm not quite done yet. Got some problems coating it around, like the curves there. The hood, because it's got all these indentations. I think it came out pretty good. We'll need a little touch-up white paint. A little touch-up white paint in there. What I thought was interesting, this, get closer on the camera here, bottom striping here does not line up with the hood. So I did it so it kind of visually looks like it's in there. I thought that was interesting. These decals are just wonderful to work with. What I really like is it's got all the decals for the lines around the window. I see the front's not in yet. But yeah, the decals here. Had a little problem getting this window in. Probably could have spent a little more time on that one to push that in there, because on the decal kind of, you can see the lip there. Anyways, excuse me, I got a runny nose. Allergy season's going like crazy. It's been raining all day today. But yes, everything's working. Let me tell you, a lot of micro salt. I always say this stuff is a lifesaver. I don't know what's in it. It's a little voodoo in a bottle for decals. But man, oh man, does it look good when you put it all in there. So, like I said, I got a few more decals to do. A couple things here and there. Excuse me. And then once all that's in, I got to get it on the body there and try to clamp it all together. So, just giving you a quick update, because I've got to tell you, I'm pretty happy with the way things are coming. You know, I was very disappointed on the last video because everything fell apart. But I just want to say, the way everything's working, I'm very happy so far. And we'll see how the rest of the body goes onto the chassis. So I don't know what I'm building next after this. I'm concentrated on this one here. It should be done this week. I got a few days off of work this week, so we'll see what happens here. I might have a little time to work on it here. And yeah, that's where we're at. Alright, I got some videos to catch up on. So if you haven't heard from me in a while, I apologize. Yeah, and we'll just keep going with that. Alright, everybody. I appreciate you watching. Write me if you wish. I always write back. And, alright, whatever you're doing, wherever you're at, wherever you're doing, whatever you're at. Alright, I'll catch y'all later. And, hopefully next video will be a finished video. Alright, peace, everybody.